If you know how to manage very well, it can last you up to 5 months. Yes, you heard me. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make your own body scrub using just 3 simple ingredients. That is what this video is going to be about today. So without wasting any time, let us dive right into the video. You are going to be needing shower gel. Okay, yes, I know you guys are surprised, like shower gel. Yes, you can use shower gel to make your own body scrub, and it's going to be very, very nice. Okay, and the shower gel I'm going to be using today is the palm olive coconut milk shower cream, and I'm using this because I'm trying to make like a coconut body scrub. You can make any kind of body scrub that you like. You do not have to make a coconut themed body scrub, but today I'm going to be making a coconut themed body scrub. And I'm also going to be using some coconut oil, and the coconut oil I got is from Zusi Organic Skincare. They're also going to be needing some sugar. I decided to make this sugar scrub today because I have run out of my body scrub. I don't know that I talk about this scrub in one of my videos, and this scrub, normally when you go to the supermarket, this scrub is 1,300 naira. So, and this scrub is going to last you for like 1 month. If you know how to manage very well, it's going to last you for only 1 month. This scrub usually lasts me for around 2 months. That is because I manage it very well, and sometimes I use my exfoliating shower gloves to exfoliate my body. I don't use this every single time. That is why it's even lasts me up to 2 months. But normally, if you are not using this and you're using just this, it's going to last you for only a month. So I'm going to show you guys how you can make your own sugar scrub and how it will last you for like 5 months max. And guys, I got this for 1,200 naira. I got this for 1,200 naira, so it is quite affordable. Zusi Organic Skincare oil for 1,300 naira. And then I got my sugar. I think I got half pint of sugar, which was like around 700 naira. So this is what is left from after I finished baking my cake. This is what is left. If you want to make your own sugar scrub that is going to last you for 6 months or 5 months maximum, you need to get all these things. You do not have to do it. Like, if you have enough money, you can keep on buying body scrubs, but this is going to save you a whole lot of money. When you are buying it at first, it's going to look like it is way expensive, because like I said, I got this for 1,200 and I got this for 1,300, which is about 2,500 naira. And I got this sugar, I think I got half pint of sugar, which was around 700 naira. So making it all summed up to like 3,200 naira. I know it sounds like a lot, but trust me, this thing is going to last you for a very, very long time. And y'all know that I have used 4 cups of the sugar already. I already used 4 cups of the sugar, and this is the remaining sugar. When you're buying the materials at first, it's going to look like a lot of money, but trust me, in the long run, you are going to see that it is going to save you a whole lot of money. I usually like to get my sugar from all those market women, because when you are buying your sugar from the markets, like those market women that sell like measured sugar, it is usually quite cheaper when you are buying from them, because they measure and they even add jara. But when you are buying from a supermarket, it's kind of more expensive than when you are buying in the market, because in the market, like, they use like their measuring bowl, and they even like add jara for you, so you're going to have plenty sugar. I'm going to be using 1 cup of sugar to make my scrub, and I'm going to use this 1 cup of sugar about 3 times to scrub my full body. Okay, you can see that I'm only going to use 1 cup of sugar out of all this plenty sugar. And yeah, so I'm going to take 1 cup of my sugar. And guys, I'm going to be using my Eco Styling Gel container. I'm going to use this container because it seals very well. It seals very well. And aside from that, it is transparent, so y'all can see when I'm adding the ingredients inside. And this is what I use when I'm making my body scrub, because the container is really nice and it seals very well. So I'm just going to take a cup of my sugar, just a cup, yes, a cup of my sugar, and I'm going to put it carefully. Yes, I'm going to put it inside my jar over here, you can see. Then I'm going to add some coconut oil, and I'm going to add the shower gel into it. Okay, so that is what I usually do when I do not have like enough money. I just do this instead. Okay, so now I'm just going to add my shower gel, and guys, you can use any shower gel that you have. And guys, you do not need to measure anything because it is not like a standard measurement. So you're just going to mix everything all up together. Guys, you can see that I only use 1 cup of sugar with about one quarter of my shower gel, and I use just half a bottle, which is about, I use like 50 ml of my coconut oil. And compared to this empty can, you can see that there is no much difference between what is here and what should be here. If you want to fill up your empty body scrub container, you can use 2 cups of sugar and let's say 100 ml of your coconut oil and a cup of shower gel. Okay, and my shower gel is still very full, and you can see that my coconut oil is still very much full. And you can see this is something that I love to do, and it smells, oh my god, it smells so nice. And this is how the body scrub is going to look like, which is not much difference from this one. If you have used this scrub before, you know that there is not much difference from this scrub and the one I just made. And you can decide to make your own scrub. You can decide to make it thicker if you want to, but I like my scrub kind of watery like this. And I'm just going to demonstrate for you guys how it is going to be when you want to use it on your body. So what I would do when I go into the shower is to use this first to bathe my body, and after bathing my body, I'm going to use my sugar scrub. So I'm just going to show you guys how it is going to look like. And shower gel is needed because it is going to help a lot, like it is going to help your body scrub to be a little bit foamy, to be on the foamy side. Okay, so I'm just going to scrub my body for you guys to see. And the coconut oil in this body scrub is going to help to moisturize my skin. That is why I'm going to use this immediately after I finish taking my shower. So once I rinse off this scrub for my body, the coconut oil is still going to be left on my skin, and it is going to moisturize my skin. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you after I finish rinsing off this scrub. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I just finished rinsing off my hand, and you can see that my skin is slightly moisturized because of the coconut oil. That is why you need to add an oil into your, it is not compulsory you add an oil, but I love the feeling after I rinse my body. It gives me this moisturized skin. Even if you don't want to apply your body cream, if you use your shower gel and your shower gel contains oil, it is going to make your skin feel so smooth. And after you washing off your body, you won't even really need to use a body moisturizer. Okay, so that is another way that you can save a lot of money when you add oil into your shower gel. If you don't have money for body cream or body oil, you can just leave it like this and go about your day. Trust me, your skin is going to be moisturized. And guys, please do not use this scrub on your face. This is not a face scrub, this is a body scrub. And guys, this thing can last you up to 5 months. I am not even joking because I have used it before, and if you know how to manage very well, it can last you up to 5 months. Yes, you heard me, it can last you up to 5 months if you know how to manage very well. And if you want it to last you for up to like 5 months, you need to get an exfoliating glove. And sometimes, like let's say in a week, you use your body scrub 3 times a week. The following week you can use your exfoliating gloves. That way it will save you a lot of money, and before you know it, you would see 5 months you are still using the same shower gel. The only thing that you might need to replace is your coconut oil. And remember, I said that coconut oil is not really needed in this recipe, but if you have a very dry skin, then you should definitely get coconut oil. And like I said, I got my coconut oil from Zusi Organic Skincare because that coconut oil is so good. It smells so nice. Like, y'all need to get yours from her. And my sugar, like I said, I got half pint of sugar, which was around 700 naira. That half pint of sugar is going to last me for 5 months, guys. 5 months. Like I said, if you want this thing to last you for a week, 3 times a week you can use your scrub, and for the following week you can use your exfoliating glove. That way you are going to save a lot of money compared to when you are always getting body scrubs. If you're always getting body scrubs and you don't use exfoliating gloves, trust me, you're going to spend a lot of money. Every single month you are going to be getting a body scrub, and it can cost you a lot of money. And this is our economy. I'd love to say a very, very big thank you. A lot of you guys showed me a lot of love on my birthday. Y'all are the best. And guys, like I mentioned in my last video, I'm going to be giving this shoe out to one of my lucky subscribers. If you commented in my last video that you need this shoe, please comment again on this video, and I'm going to be picking a winner. Just tell me your name. Just say, hi, my name is Anastasia and I stay in Lagos, or hi, my name is Anastasia, I stay in Port Harcourt, or just tell me your location, and I'm going to be picking one winner. And this shoe is free. Like I said in my last video, it is UK 39, but a size 38 will be able to wear this also. And this shoe is 29 pounds. I got it for 29 pounds. This shoe is not going to be the delivery is going to be on whoever that gets to win this shoe. Delivery is going to be on you. And I'm also going to be giving out free recharge card. Just comment on my video that maybe you want a recharge card or something. I'm going to send you a message that you should message me on Instagram, and then I'm going to send you recharge card. The shoe is free, but the delivery is not free. So if you do not mind to pay delivery fee, then that's okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. If you watched this video up to this point, I am so grateful. Please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.